Hello everyone, welcome back with this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, January the 6th, 2021. We have three Sudokus left. Yeah, because I won't make all the 8 Sudokus, only 4 of them, and the second one will be a Sudoku with 4 stars. This will be number 2121. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count. We have here 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 2 is 9, plus 4 is equal to 13, plus 2 is 15, plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. So again, 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 9 in the third column, a 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then, yeah. We have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then, how about the 7 in this first row? 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 8. 2, 4. Okay, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 5, 2, and a 4. We see here 5, 2, and a 4 in this column, so no 5 and a 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 5, 2, and a 4 goes in these 3 boxes, 5, 2, and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers? 5, 2, and a 4. Those numbers should be the 3, the 6. 3 and a 6 are left. 3 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So these 3 numbers should be 5, 2, and a 4. All right. All right. 6, 6. Okay. 2, 2. We have a 4, 4, 5, 5. Here can be 5, 5, 5. All right. Let me think. 888. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. So we have a pair, 7 and a 2 in this row, 7 and a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 and the 2 should be in these 2 boxes. 7 and a 2, we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle a row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, lucky 7, number 1. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the last row. So no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 boxes in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 3. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are in this big square the 1, the 8, and the 6. 186. 186. We see a 1 and an 8. So no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So now we have 2 numbers left in this row, the 1 and the 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 3, 6, and 8. Okay. So now, let me see. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only place for the 5 should be here. 2 and 4. Then. Let me. One is missing in this column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3. Yes. And no. 3. We have a 3 here. And we have an 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And we have a pair in this big square. We have a 1 and an 8 here. So no 1 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and an 8 in this column. No 1 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. We have a 1 and an 8 in the middle column. So no 1 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and an 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Alright. In this column, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are missing. Now we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, let me mark those 2 numbers. Then Then 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 5 should be here. Then. Yeah. 9. How about the numbers 8? Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have a 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column and 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 6 and the 3. Then yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. The first row, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here another 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4. Can I fill this yet? No, the 2 and the 4 cannot fill in yet. Alright. How about these 3 numbers in the first column? The missing numbers here are the 1, the 6, and the number 2. 162. We see here 1 and the 6 here. So no 1 and the 6 in that box. The 1 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 will be here and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Can I fill this yet? No. Let me mark those 2 boxes then. 2 and the 4. Alright. Then. How about 3. Yes. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a pair here. Yes. Look, we have 2 numbers left in the first row. I'll show the 2 and the 4. Now we have a pair now, 2 and a 4, in the middle column. That means 1 digit left in this column. This should be the number 3. 3 is missing. Alright. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. 3. Okay. 9, 4. 9, 4. Okay. So which number can I pick then? 8. We have a pair here, 8 and 1. So those 2 should be the 2 and the 4. Here also 2 and a 4. 1. Here can it be a 1? 1. Okay. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2. These 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 there. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 4. So now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 2. And now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this is going to be 3 and more. This should be the 3, and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a number 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in the first row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. 2 minutes more than the previous Sudoku. So I'm very pleased with the time. Because for a really 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. So it's been a while that I solved Sudokus with more than 30 minutes. But I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to, subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. It will be a binary and a tectonic. So see you later. Bye bye for now.